There. There. Wait. Winter also having some respiratory problem. And not so much appetite, so I hope I can cure them at home, because there is a lot of wet blood since last month, and the other cat is in clinic. I left in clinic. He's okay. The skin is fine, except that respiratory problem. I don't really like this. Since last month, I have lots of cat in hospital. Okay na, Lilo? Lilo?